Welcome back to Quantum Vision. I'm Imar. In just 60 seconds, let's break down one of the most mind-bending concepts in quantum computing: superposition. In classical computing, bits can be either 0 or 1, but in quantum computing, qubits can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition. Think of it like flipping a coin. While it's in the air, it's both heads and tails at the same time. Only when it lands do you see the result. In the quantum world, qubits stay in the superposition state until they're measured, unlocking incredible possibilities for faster and more powerful computing. And that's superposition in a nutshell. Ready to explore more of the quantum world? Stay tuned for our next deep dive. Does this simplify the concept of superposition for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Quantum Vision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in quantum computing and technology.